Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into an intriguing business, Emerald Finance. Despite being a small NBFC, this company has carved out a niche for itself. Emerald Finance operates primarily as a direct selling agent for financial institutions. This means they source loan on behalf of these institutions, connecting borrower and financial institution. Building on this DSA foundation, Emerald Finance also offers business loan to known clients sourced through their DSA network. Now, here is where Emerald Finance really stands out. They pioneered Early Wage Access Program EWAP, allowing employees to access up to 40% of their salary in advance. This amount is directly deducted from their salary on payday, with a small processing fee upfront in a range of 2 to 2.5%. For instance, if someone takes a rupees 10,000, only 200 is deducted upfront and 9,800 is deposited in their account immediately. The employer reimburses Emerald Finance the full amount on salary day. So let's discuss this in detail. What happens, a lot of us who are in job have cash crunch during the latter end of the month. मंथ एंड में हमारे पास पैसे ख़त्म हो जाते हैं या फिर कोई इमरजेंसी आ जाती है जिसके लिए हमारे पास पैसे नहीं होते हैं. तो उस नीड को फुलफ़िल करने के लिए एमरल्ड फाइनेंस ने अर्ली वेज एक्सेस प्रोग्राम चालू किया है, जिसमें ये आपकी सैलरी के 40% तक को आप अमाउंट को आपको लोन दे देते हैं. उसके बदले में ये एक अपफ्रंट प्रोसेसिंग फीस लेते हैं एंड द होल अमाउंट इज डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम योर सैलरी ऑन द पे डे. सो दिस इज द प्रोग्राम. This program has been run very successfully in USA, Singapore and other areas. They have done a pilot project for 6 months and got permission from RBI for this also. Now, they have tie-up with 13 corporate till now and are planning to add 100 more by end of this year. They are the only listed company in this space which has technology for this. The other company which are GPay, which does 10 crore per month, Refine and FatakPay, which do 3 crore per month. In the last month alone, the Emerald Finance has disbursed 38 lakhs through this program, and they are aiming for 1 crore in the coming month, as per their latest con call. Looking ahead, they forecast a growth of 8 to 10 times in the coming 2 to 3 years. As per their con call. For Emerald Finance, EWP is just not about meeting a need, but it is a powerful consumer acquisition tools. By targeting both employers and employees, they can cross-sell additional product. For employees, this include attractive offer on product like gold loans, home loans, loan against property, while for employer, they can provide essential services like working capital loans. All in all, Emerald Finance is a niche business opportunity in India with high growth potential. We should track the company further. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more insight into the emerging businesses like Emerald Finance. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.